up though? It's your girl Coco and we're back with another video. As you can tell by the title below, we're doing a new video today. We're doing a DIY Halloween edition. So I'm not really much of a DIYer. I don't have the patience for it. So if you are one of those people, go ahead and continue watching. We are going to be doing DIY Halloween ornaments, plate decor, and we're going to spruce up some picture frames in this video. I will be doing more DIY videos here in the future this upcoming October, so just stay tuned. Comment down below DIY if you with it. All right, so here I'm just kind of showing you guys what I got from the dollar store. I went to Dollar Tree and I found a whole bunch of stuff. Like they had a lot of signs, pumpkins, all kind of good stuff. But yeah, let me stop talking and let's get into it. You will need some spray paints, some Mod Podge, and that's really it, and a printer. Okay, let's get into it. I don't know why I was just rushing y'all. So y'all also need some paint brushes from the Dollar Tree, and I also got these nice plates from the Dollar Tree. Y'all see those? Shout out to Mama Coco for making me buy those. And I did actually go to Home Goods as well to get some other items for decor. All right, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I got this Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. This one in black and white, like that. And I'm about to paint this little treehouse and this little head. So that's black. All right, y'all, so now I'm about to spray paint this one white, this white, and this plate white as well. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, y'all. So, no, I'm kidding. All right, so basically, I got these ornaments from the dollar store, as y'all see. Anyways, so then we got these little printouts of Jack. So I think I'm gonna do these two and these two, because you know this is the official Jack. You already know what time it is. But I do have some more printouts as such that you'll see throughout the video, as you see here. So yeah. Just stay tuned. Keep watching. Follow me. Some will be voiceover, and I'll be popping in here and there. All right. So just stay tuned. Y'all see what I'm doing? Y'all comprehending? All right. Comment down below a green heart right now. What he said. All right. All right, y'all, so as per usual, I'm all over the place and not prepared. So here I am actually cutting out the printed out pictures of Jack, the Pumpkin King himself, for my frames. So that's what you're seeing here, is me sizing up the picture with the glass of the frame, so I know what to cut out and what we're actually going to see. So that's what you see me doing here. And then next, you're also going to see me start Mod Podging a photo to the plate. So that's what you guys will be seeing here. So I know I was just talking about some ornaments, and I just hopped into doing the painting, but yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, y'all, so I'm actually using the matte Mod Podge instead of the gloss one. So that's what I ended up doing. Also, make sure that you Mod Podge underneath before you put the paper down, and then Mod Podge on top. Yeah, that was a tongue twister. But yeah, so do that first and then go from inside to outside. So don't go back and forth, but just go out with the Mod Podge if it's your first time. You feel me? If you know, you know. And I did use the matte Mod Podge for both plates. The white one is actually outside still drying from the spray paint that I was using. So I just went ahead and wanted to show you guys what I was doing. I went ahead and did the white one off camera. So this is you guys seeing me, you know what I'm saying, doing these decor plates as you see on the screen right here. Yeah. But I had so much fun playing with this Mod Podge. I felt like I was in kindergarten again, y'all. If y'all doing this with me, shout out to y'all. Comment down below, Mod Podge Twist. I'm about to be Mod Podge with some stuff, okay? We about to be sipping wine and DIYing, okay? Now I see why y'all be doing it. This is really fun. This is really fun, especially when it come out like how you want it to come out. Like I was having too much fun. Too much fun, y'all. Y'all just don't even know. Mommy duty break, cause yeah, we was getting fussy and we wasn't letting mommy do nothing, so we had to do a nappy nap, okay? All right, y'all, so now we're back with the ornament thing. Okay, so I'm about to show you how to turn that into that and that into that. Okay, so basically we took our cutouts, we cut those out really nicely. If you want to take the extra step and laminate it, you can do that, but I just liked it the way it was. To do that, you can take either a laminator or you can use some clear duct tape and tape both sides to it and then fold it up and put it inside of the ornament like so, and then just adjust it how you would like it to look. And yeah, there you go. There you have your Halloween customized ornament, you know? All right, y'all, so this is actually the end of this video. If you guys want to see how I decorated my house with these items that I decorated or created or DIY'd, however you want to say it, girl, then stay tuned to my next video. I will be doing a Halloween decorate with me so you guys can see what the outcome of these beautiful DIYs was, okay? Here I'm actually laminating a garland that I'm doing in a separate video, so stay tuned, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment down below starfish, and no, let's do Jack the Pumpkin King himself, okay? Just comment down Jack the Pumpkin King, because we gonna rep my mans, okay? Because my mans, okay? But go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and what? Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you know every time I post, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.